Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper based on your sound mode. With Samsung's mode and routines, your wallpaper can automatically change depending on your sound mode. So silent mode might show you a calm, muted wallpaper, while sound mode displays something bold and lively. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and change the sound mode. So once I change the sound mode, as you can see, it changes my wallpaper. So here, if I go ahead and make it loud, my wallpaper will be this. If I go ahead and mute the sound and only have vibration, my wallpaper will be this. And now if I go ahead and mute everything and just have the vibration, my wallpaper will be this. So let me show you how to set this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Modes and Routine app. Now in the Modes and Routine app, tap on Routines and then tap on the plus sign. Now you want to go ahead and tap. Now here you want to go ahead and create the if and then statement. So the first statement is if the sound is on. So we'll go ahead and search for sound mode. Here we'll go ahead and choose sound. I will tap done. Then we want to go ahead and change the wallpaper. So search for wallpaper, change home screen wallpaper. And here we can go ahead and choose the wallpaper required. So let's just say we want this. So when the sound is on, this wallpaper will appear. So tap done, tap save, give it a name, tap done. Now next, you want to go ahead and set another if and then statement where if the sound is on mute, then we'll have another wallpaper. So if sound mode on mute, then we'll have a wallpaper. Change the home screen. We'll go ahead and have this yellow wallpaper. So tap done, tap save, and then done. Now we can go ahead and tap on home. So now here, as you can see, our sound mode is currently on mute. Hence we're seeing the yellow wallpaper. We'll go ahead and change this to something else, this full sound. So as you can see, when our sound is on, we have another wallpaper. So this adds personality and visual cues that match your phone's mood. You instantly know if you left your phone on silent, and it makes your device feel more alive and adaptive to your lifestyle. So there you go, guys. That is how to change wallpaper based on sound mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.